Hi, this is a really quick tutorial for finding the turning points and asymptotes of a polynomial using Desmos. So I have a couple functions preloaded here. This first one is a polynomial. We have x to the third minus 2x squared plus 6. And Desmos makes it really easy to find what we call a turning point. Remember, turning point is IB language for a local max or a local min. We are looking at the graph. We see a turning point here and a turning point here. And when we click on the 2 points, Desmos will actually label them for us. So for this function, our turning points are 0, 6 and 1.3, 4.8. The next thing we would want to look for is asymptotes, and a basic rule for asymptotes, we're not going to see them when we have a polynomial. We're only going to see them when we have a fraction, meaning that x is in the denominator, or a square root. So no asymptote for this one. So let's look at the next graph. So now I have y equals 2x plus 3 divided by 1 minus x. Here I have a fraction, so I should be on the hunt for an asymptote. And there are some algebraic ways to find the asymptote, but today we're kind of just staying visual using Desmos, and we can see at about the line x equals 1, we don't see the graph touching. If we zoom out all the way, we never cross that. So there's our vertical asymptote, but then we also see the same pattern on the left and right. And so again, just looking visually, it looks like about y equals -2, and we can test by graphing that line, y equals -2. So this green line, we can see no matter how much we scoot or zoom out the graph, it is never crossing that line. So that is our asymptote visually from Desmos. Again, we will work on algebraic methods as we get more towards our calculus, but for now, we're just kind of doing a visual investigation of these graphs. So that is it for turning points and asymptotes.